All right, so we're gonna make some really simple red lentils.
More carrots. Don't tear it.
I'm gonna rinse them. I'm gonna chop some garlic. Now let's heat up the pan. Heat up some olive oil. Throw in the garlic. You know what? I'm gonna chop some jalapenos. Just a little bit. Maybe this much. There you go. Put in some water before the garlic burns. A little bit of water. Tablespoon of tomato paste. Maybe 1.5. Throw in the rinsed lentils. Put some more water. Also the water, I'm winging it. I sometimes like to add black strap molasses. Just a little bit, because it can be a bit too much. Say about a teaspoon. Some smoked paprika. I like that smoky taste. I usually caramelize some onions and then I throw in some garlic to the onion and then all the stuff. But since I didn't have onion, put in some powdered onion. I don't add salt right away. I wait for it to get cooked a little bit and then I'm gonna add the salt. Put some coriander in there. It's not cooked enough to have this little water, so I'm gonna add more water. Not too much. Just a little bit. Because I don't want to have lentil soup. If lentil soup is what you want, add more water. And for that you should intensify the flavor. Maybe add more garlic, more onion, coriander, all the stuff. I think jalapeno we have pretty much enough. So now put it on low. Cover and let it simmer for a little bit. I will add the salt now, and salt is to your preference. I add some salt and I taste it. Perfect. I think a few more minutes we'll be ready. A great addition would be turmeric, which I don't have at the moment. And you never want to put too much turmeric. It does overpower. So I'm going to cover again. Let it cook for another 4 or 5 minutes. It is very spicy though. The amount of jalapeno I put, I didn't think it was going to be a lot, but I like it, but it's a bit too much. I have this terrible habit of using utensils to cook with, but that's what you need. I think that is fine as wine. This is what you want right there. See? Now let's give it a taste. It's hot. Perfect, perfect. Salt, spices, a bit much on the jalapeno. Other than that, perfect.